Hi, Beth again, talking about your character analysis. This is our first longish essay for the course. First week, we did a personal narrative. Second week, I asked you to do a rhetorical analysis. And now we're changing a little bit and doing a character analysis. Last week, in the rhetorical analysis, you explained how an author presented his or her thesis to the audience. And now I'm asking you to tell me how Dave Eggers, the author of The Circle, is presenting his thesis to the audience by using a character. I'm asking you to choose a character, anyone you want. Remember, of course, that sometimes the minor characters are the most interesting. I know you haven't read all the way through the book, but this isn't a plot summary, so we don't care what happens later in the book. But what I want is for you to tell me, how does this character represent, good or bad, what Eggers is trying to say? Now, obviously, you're going to have to figure out what Eggers' argument is. I think we know by now this is a cautionary tale against the problems, the dangers of both using social media, being attacked by social media, and working for a social media company. And your character might represent one or all of those dangers. I'm telling you here the organization for this, an introduction, body, conclusion. Actually, that's the way you organize every single writing assignment, just about anywhere, in any written assignment for a college course or actually on the workplace too. Introduction, tell me which character you're choosing and tell me why. Your thesis will be, this character represents Eggers' argument in this way. Body will be a series of paragraphs telling me, how does this work? How does this character play into Eggers' point? And a conclusion, the overall general importance of the character. 3 to 5 pages. I'm not too worried about length, but I'm thinking you have to at least probably get on the 3rd page to make it work. I'm thinking an introduction, that'll be maybe half a page, and then 2 or 3 paragraphs at least. That will get you at least solidly through your 2nd page, and then a conclusion. You're going to have to either cite or paraphrase from the book. If you are using a hard copy book, you will have page numbers that you will put in parentheses after your citation. Ask a writing tutor if you have problems with this. Otherwise, if you're using a digital version or an audio version, you won't have a page number. But just make sure that you have a works cited at the end. I've shown you how to do it if it's print or if it's digital. Don't worry if you haven't read far in the book. You're just telling me what you know so far. Any questions? Let me know. Be glad to help.